Hi boys and girls, this lesson is 6-7. Now you've already added 3-digit numbers and gotten a little bit of practice. Now we want to make sure, are you checking whether you make a new 10 or make a new 100? So let's start. When we start with our number, we start with our ones. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Make sure to carry over. Then we add our tens. 1 plus 3 equals 4 plus 7 equals 11. So I carry over. 1 plus 2 equals 3 plus 4 equals 7. I got 714. Now here, did I make a new 10? Yes, I did. I added a new 10 in my tens column. If you need a reminder, let me show you your different columns. Here's your ones, your tens, your hundreds. So when we add a number up here, yes, we added a new 10. So I would write yes. Did we make a new 100? Did I add one? Yep, I added a new 100 over here, so yes again. Again, I'm checking to see, are you making sure that you're adding and carrying over those tens and hundreds when we get there? Let's practice another one. 183 plus 517. This one isn't as easy looking as the last one. Let me see, what's the difference? This one was in vertical form, and this one is in horizontal. I don't like the horizontal, so I'm just going to write it out vertical because that makes sense in my head. You can do the same. 183 plus 517. Notice I line up my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. I'm going to use a different color this time so I can track, did I make a 10, did I make a 100? So I start with my ones. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 1 plus 8 equals 9, plus 1 more equals 10. 1 plus 1 equals 2, plus 5 equals 7. So I got my answer, 700. So I'd write that over here, 700. Now I'm going to ask, did I make a new 10? Yes, I did. I wrote it in blue so that I could see easier. Yes. Then it asks, did we make a new 100? Right here? Yes, yes I did. No, you do not have to make a 10 or a 100. Sometimes it won't be. For instance, if I were to erase this and add two different numbers, let me erase my answer too. And I were to add 426 plus 211. If I start with my 6 plus 1 equals 7. I don't carry anything over because that would have to be 17. If it's just a 7, I leave it. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So if I were adding these numbers, did I make a new 10? Nope. Did I make a new 100? Nope. So for these numbers, I did not make a 10 or a 100. All right, last one. This has an added thing on the bottom. It says make a new 1,000. Did we make a new 1,000? Let's see and find out how that might look. Again, I don't like it in horizontal form. I'm going to write it vertical over here. 413 plus 587. Some of you may have noticed by now I am not putting the big number on top because when we add, it doesn't matter. So it wouldn't matter if we did 3 plus 7 or 7 plus 3, it equals 10 either way. I'm going to do this one with purple. 10. Then I add 1 plus 1 makes 2, 2 plus 8 equals 10 again. So I already know I've added a new 10. I've made a new 100. Now let's add our hundreds. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. I'm going to draw it up here and drop it down. Now I made 1,000. If I were to draw columns here and have my ones, my tens, my hundreds, and my thousands, here's my ones, my tens, my hundreds, and thousands. So my answer ended up being 1,000. Let me write that real quick. Then, did we make a new 10? Yes, we did. Did we make a new 100? Yes, we did. And last, did we make a new 1,000? See, I drew my columns to help out. Yes, I did make a new 1,000. All right, boys and girls, good luck with your own work. Please answer these. I want to make sure that you know how to carry over your numbers. It's good practice for you. Good luck.